If you're wondering, how long does it take to actually become a certified coach? First of all, usually people ask that because what they're really trying to get to is how long does it take to actually start earning money as a coach? And I want to break that down for you today, how to get certified, how long it takes, why it takes so long to do it the right way, but not like too long, like, it's no 4-year degree or anything. And why some of these DIY overnight coach training programs are actually just not going to help you, and they're actually going to be wasted time. So it's a little bit of a tortoise in the hare conversation, but lock in. My name is Liv Chapman. I have 11 plus years experience working in the coaching industry. I'm the co-founder and CEO of IGC Coaching School, and I have trained and certified thousands of coaches, many of which who have earned multiple 6 and 7 figures as coaches. So I want to help you do this right, and do it so that you can make as much money as you want to or need to while doing what you love. Let's break it down. The short answer is there is a enormous variation when it comes to how long coach training programs are. You will probably, if you've been searching this up, you're probably getting ads for like weekend long training options. You're probably also getting ads for year-long training options. At IGC Coaching School, we have our standard program, which for an ICF level 1 takes about 4 months. For ICF level 2 takes about 8 months. We also have an accelerated version, which we call IGC X, which we only run like once a year. And that cuts it in half because you're meeting twice as often. The thing about getting certified, especially if you crave, desire, want, or need the ICF credential, is it does require live class time. It does require coaching practicum hours, meaning actual practice coaching hours, some of which you're getting paid for, some of which you're not getting paid for, or pro bono. So it literally takes time. So to get to the ACC level 1 a credential, you need at least 100 practicum coaching hours and at least 60 training hours. To get to level 2, you need at least 125 training hours and 500 client hours. And to get to MCC level 3, I believe it's 200 training hours and 1,000 client hours. So it does take time. It is not something that you can truly just do in a 2-hour DIY $25 Facebook ad course or one of these weekend long courses. I don't even know how you would fit 60 hours into a weekend. That sounds miserable to me. So skip that part. If you're less concerned about the ICF credential, fine. But I can promise you one thing, as you grow professionally, you're going to regret not having it. And I say that because you do want to have a certification that is signed off on by the ICF. It grows your ability to coach in different environments tremendously. And so if you're going to go through training anyway, do it right the first time. Open those doors for yourself. You may be thinking, right now your vision of coaching is having a few clients, working from wherever, doing your own thing. But 5-10 years down the line, if you're really looking at this like a career, you may want to get into different organizations or nonprofits or corporate environments. And why not do training right the first time so you can set yourself up for expansive success later? You also want to look at the depth of training. Now, you can absolutely go and get certified in less time than IGC. But you also need to think about what you're doing with your coaching certificate. There's a lot cheaper, faster programs than ours, but they're leaving out one crucial thing, and that is real-world application, aka career and business skills and professional development skills. Now, if you only want to coach inside of your current career or organization forever, and that's kind of what you see the use of coaching, you may not need a school like IGC. You could go get a certification that's just the true 60-hour ACC level, classroom hours where you're able to really learn the coaching skills. We also offer that, but all of our lessons are weaved in with business and real world application. So it is something to consider when you're thinking about a training. And also, I'm going to stand on my soapbox for this one, but this is why I think coaches have just such an unlimited ability to be super successful, is because when you are going through a coach training program that also has you use the tools and experience coaching yourself through those practicum hours or partner coaching like we do, you're getting so much coaching and you're getting out of your own way, and you're learning tools to be able to get out of your own way and to be able to remove the obstacles that are in your way, either physically or emotionally or mentally or spiritually or just in your being, that are blocking you from success, because that is ultimately what coaching is. And it may take a little bit longer, but a longer runway doesn't necessarily mean that you're delaying your wealth or you're delaying your ability to get paid. You're actually increasing it. So I'm like, it's a little bit of a tortoise and a hare conversation. You can absolutely try to take a shortcut. And depending on your professional experience and level of confidence, maybe you don't need to take a more in-depth course. But I can promise you, when you put in that much time, money, and energy into your skill, that repays you back. What you get in, you put out. And oftentimes people who try to take shortcuts, try to get rich quick overnight kind of vibes, which I think, like, can't we all admit that is so weird now? Like, we don't believe that anymore, right? Anyway, some people still need to be reminded. If you really want to have a career as a coach with longevity and that's lucrative and that you feel really good and confident about, because as much as I can tell you as a coach, the price is made up. You can charge whatever you want. This is true. But can you confidently look someone in the eye and assure them that with your skills, you can charge $300, $400, $500 per session and help them create that transformation? Only you can answer that question. Long story short, the training depends on what's included, the depth of training, the level of credential which you want, need, or prefer. And also it just depends on how much you're willing to put in. People ask us all the time, okay, class is about, an hour and a half a week, but what else do I have to do? Technically not much, but if you really want to grow a thriving coaching practice within 6 months, then you're working on your business at least 5 to 10 hours a week. You are practicing coaching at least 2 to 3 hours a week. I think ultimate success in your coaching business while you're in training, you really want to have a minimum of 10 to 15 hours a week to put into it. Can you get away with 2 to 4 on a busy week? Absolutely. But I want to set a realistic expectation with you that unless you are famous, you're an influencer, you have extreme levels of connections, you will have to put more work into your business, into networking, into marketing, and all of that. I never want to paint this picture that like, you just need to say you're a coach and you're going to get hired. That may happen a few times. That may happen. You may have built a network already that knows, likes, and trusts you and knows that you are the person to go to if they want to change their life. And eventually they all hire you and you got to meet some new people. Okay. So realistically speaking, if you're going the longer route, the 4 to 8 month route, you can have enough time to earn those credential hours, those training and practicum hours needed to be fully certified. And when you are fully certified and credentialed, the coaching warrants a higher price tag. So the average rate of a coach who is the North American average PCC level 2, which is the most common level for the ICF, is around $297 per session. International average around $265 a session. And this data is only applicable to coaches who are at the PCC or level 2 credential level. But here's what I really want you to think about for yourself. And you may feel like, oh, but these extensive, expansive programs are such a big investment. Do you believe that 2 or 3 people will pay you if you're a really great coach? Do you believe that? Because you can just do the math right here, or you can go to the notes. I made this beautiful ROI calculator so you can figure out how to make back an investment in your coach training or your coaching education. I'm going to link it in the show notes and I'm going to link it here so you can have it. This is going to be incredibly helpful for you to be realistic and also aspirational as you grow. But truly, if you're looking at a 5 to 10K investment for coach training and 60 to 125 plus training hours, you are really looking at, just to get a return, 2 to 3 clients at that credential level and at that price point of around $250 to $300 per session, because your coaching clients are going to work with you for minimum 3 months, typically minimum weekly or biweekly sessions. Over the course of time, you're going to make that investment back with just a handful of clients every year. That's easy. But what you really have to ask yourself is this what I want? Do I see myself being the best of the best when it comes to coaching? Because if you do, I want you to set yourself up for success and get in the best of the best programs, which would be IGC. But if it's something you just want to dabble with, and when you dabble, you tend to see dabble results, which is okay. It's okay. I've done this with other things, not with coaching. You may be able to get away with a DIY program. You may be able to get away with a $297 course where you watch videos of someone else coaching. You may be able to do one of these like weekend coaching things. But if you really want to have a solid ground and you really want to be in the coaching career with longevity, right? With some stay in the game, the energy you put in at the beginning is going to be what helps you sustain long term. Right. So I want you to consider those things before you jump into a coaching program. Realistically speaking, and this is just business in general, if you can have a fully functioning coaching business that is generating you income within 6 to 12 months, you are winning. You are absolutely winning. Coaching is not an overnight success type of business. It is a career. It's a skill that requires a lot from you. It requires you to obviously be very involved with other people's lives and be, intuitive and caring and checked in. And it's not just selling a course online for a couple $100s. True coaching is a real relationship. And when it's done right, it is absolutely a high paying profession and a very well respected profession. High achieving humans already know this. They already know what it takes. They already know that they're going to have to block off time on their calendar to build their business and hold it to just as high of importance as they do anything else, if not more. You know that there's going to be some sacrifice when it comes to social events and weekends out and all of that. But I can promise you, if you put full all in vibes, all in energy into your coaching business, you are going to see a result much faster. You want a program that does not rush through what it takes to be successful, but gives you everything laid out in a way that makes sense, in a way that builds on, skills build on one another, business skills build on one another, and one that doesn't abandon you once the course is over. So if any of that sounds exciting to you, check the links below, grab that ROI calculator and start getting freaking excited. And just remember, this kind of business really only works if you want to work. All right. And if you do want to work and you get excited about this, I can promise you you're in good hands with IGC. All right. I'll see you next time.